Hello everyone, how are you all today? I hope you all are happy with your family. Students, today I plan to teach you grammar part of the lesson Robot and the Cobbler. So, all of you open your textbook, page number 53. Okay, here you can see the topic, today's topic, preposition. Students, do you know what is preposition? Okay, let me explain. A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, an animal, a place or a thing is. Okay. So, what is preposition? Preposition is a word that tells us where a person, an animal, a place or a thing is. Okay, for example, man is sitting on the horse. Okay, he is sitting on it. So he means the man. Okay, the man, it means the horse. Okay, he is sitting on the horse. He is sitting on it. Okay, so here in this way, preposition words connect to the preposition. On is a preposition. So it connect to a noun. Noun means the man. Okay, or a pronoun. Okay, pronoun means here he. So to another noun. To another noun means here horse, or to another pronoun. It means it. Okay, have you understood, my dear children? So prepositions are the words, they connect a noun or a pronoun to another noun or another pronoun. So we say preposition. So on is a preposition. So we can say here, we can raise a question. So where the man is? Where the man is? We say the man is on the horse, or the man is sitting on the horse. So on is a preposition. So on is a preposition. It tells us about a person or thing. It tells us the person or a thing where it is. So have you understood, my dear children? Okay. So some examples. Prepositions are on, in, under, above, over, okay, below, down. So these are the some prepositions. Okay, let us now look some uses of these preposition words. Okay, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. So here on tells us where the book is. So on is a preposition. So we can ask a question, where is the book? I'll ask a question, where is the book? So the answer is, the book is on. We say on the table. So on is a preposition. Students, on is a preposition. Okay, the next one. The teddy is in the cupboard. So there is a teddy bear in the cupboard. So the teddy is in the cupboard. So here in tells us where the teddy is. So in is a preposition. Okay. The next one, the rabbit. The rabbit is under the tree. The rabbit is under the tree. Where is the rabbit? So we say, sir, the rabbit is under the tree. So under tells us where the rabbit is. So under is a preposition. Okay, let me switch on the next slide. The cat is jumping over the chair. The cat is jumping over the chair. So here over tells us where the cat is. So over is the preposition. So students, the words on, in, under, above, far, near, between, down, up, into are the preposition words that tell us where the things or nouns are. Okay, so students, what are prepositions? Prepositions are words that tell you about the position of a person or thing. So these words tell you where a person or thing is. Have you got my point, dear students? Okay, let us complete the activities given in your textbook. So get ready with the pencil or pen. So in the page number 53, the picture is given, correct? No? So choose the correct prepositions to complete the paragraph given on the next page. Okay, next page, just turn the page or go to the page number 54. So you can see a paragraph on the text page. So look at the picture carefully, where the man is standing, or where the dog is, or bus, cat, or teacups and umbrella. Okay, now turn the page, means go to the page number 54. Okay, there in your textbook, in the page number 54, you can see a text. So choose the correct preposition by looking at this picture. Okay. Let me explain. Anand is standing over or under an umbrella. See, Anand is standing. Where is the Anand standing? Anand is standing under the umbrella, under an umbrella. So his name is Anand. So he is standing under the umbrella. So we can say under is a correct preposition as we looking at this picture. Okay, as we compare this picture, Anand is standing under an umbrella. Under an umbrella. Under means the below of the surface. Okay, so just stick to the verb preposition under. Next, what is he doing? What is he doing, dear students? Look at this picture and guess what is he doing? He is putting tea in or on the cups. Is he putting tea in the cups or on the cups? Can you guess it? Yes, he is putting tea in the cups. Okay, in the cups. So in is correct preposition. And there are some cups. Correct? No, you can see some cups. Okay, there are some cups dash the table, in or on the table. So where are those cups? Where are those cups? Are those on the table or in the table? Yes, the cups are on the table. Okay. Next, can you see a cat sitting above or under the table? Can you see a cat? Where is the cat? Does the cat under the table or above the table? Above the table. The answer is under the table. The cat is sitting under the table. Okay. Next. There is a bus. Okay. There is a bus on or above the road. On or above the road. So where is the bus? The bus is on the road. Correct, no? So on is correct preposition. So tick the preposition on. Next, people are sitting. So there is a bus on the road. So the people are sitting over or in the bus. So where are the people sitting in the bus? The people are sitting in the bus. Okay. The answer, the preposition is, the correct preposition is in. The last statement, can you see a dog? So there is a dog. Okay. Can you see a dog above or behind the tree? So is the dog above the tree or behind the tree? Yes. The dog is behind the tree. So the correct preposition is behind. Okay. Okay, let us go to the next activity. Be main. So tick the correct words in the brackets. So look at the picture and choose the correct preposition and tick it. Okay, the first one. The painting is in or on the wall. So where is the painting? Is it on the wall or is it in the wall? The answer is the painting is on the wall. So on is correct preposition. The painting is on the wall. We can say on the wall. We cannot say in the wall. Okay. Next picture. So there is a cat. It is in the basket. So the cat is dash the basket. So where is the cat? The cat is in the basket. The correct preposition is in. Okay. The cat is in the basket. Next one. Third one. The chair is dash the table. The chair is near or on the table. So can you see? Does the chair on the table? No. The chair is near the table. Correct? No. So the correct preposition is near. The chair is near the table. The fourth one. The bird flew dash the tree. The bird flew dash the tree. So where is the bird? The bird flew over the tree. See, there is a distance between the tree and a bird. So we use over. The bird flew over the tree. So over is the correct preposition. Okay, fifth one. See, there is a child. There are three children. So there is a small baby. So he is standing between these two children. Okay. So Samir is, his name is Samir. Samir is dash Nina and Nithi. So where is the Samir? Samir is between Nina and Nithi. Okay. Samir is between Nina and Nithi. Next, sixth one. The cat jumped dash the well. The cat jumped dash the well. So where is the cat? The cat is jumping into the well. So the correct preposition is into. So the cat jumped into the well. Okay. Next one. Seventh one. The boy went. The boy went dash the hill. So what the boy is doing? The boy went up the hill. So the correct preposition is up. Okay. Then eighth one. The ball rolled dash the stairs. The ball rolled up or down the stairs. Can you guess? The ball is rolling down the stairs. So the correct preposition is down. The ball rolled down the stairs. Okay. Let us see page number 55. Ninth one. The bicycle is dash the gate. So the bicycle is behind the gate. So the correct preposition is behind. The bicycle is behind the gate. So what is the question? Where is the bicycle? The answer, the bicycle is behind the gate. The last one, students. The head of the frog is. The head of the frog is dash the water, above or into. The head of the frog is. So where is the head of the frog is? Head of the frog. So the head of the frog is above the water, not into the water, above the water. So we are pointing to the only head of the frog. Okay. So the head of the frog is above the water. So the correct preposition is above. Have you understood, my dear children? So okay, I hope you have understood the topic preposition. Okay, thank you everyone.